In this video, I'll show you how you can edit a YouTube video after you've uploaded it to YouTube. This is using YouTube's built-in video editor, and it allows you to make minor adjustments. So here's how you do it. So once you're on YouTube, you need to go to your channel icon, then head over to your YouTube studio, and then from here, go to content or videos, and you need to find the video that you want to edit. So I'll just edit a video, which I know is probably dead. So we will edit this one here. So you need to click on the details section of a video. That's going to be the pencil icon. That will take you into the video details. And from here, you need to find the editor. So to find the editor, it is actually going to be on the left here, and it will be the third one down, and you'll see it is called editor, just under analytics. That will then show you the editor of that video. Now from here, we can make some adjustments. We can trim and cut, we can blur, we can add audio, end screens, and info cards. We'll first start off with trim and cut. If you click on that, you can actually obviously trim the start, you can trim off the end. So if your video is too long, you can obviously manage that. Or if your intro is too long as well, you can cut it to make it shorter. You can also cut in between the video. So for example, if we wanted to cut a section out, we would find the start of the cut. You would then click new cut. And then what you could do, you could find the end of the cut, and you would simply drag this cut where it finishes to the end here. And then if you're happy with that cut and you want to remove this section in red, click on the tick and it will remove it. Now you do need to save these changes. So make sure once you've made these changes with the cut, click save, and it will then process this video again like it's being re-uploaded to YouTube. So these changes won't be in effect straight away. You will have to wait a couple of minutes for it to reprocess, and obviously YouTube will make those changes. I'm going to discard these for now. Now you can also edit and you can also blur. So if you go to the blur section, you can face blur or custom blur. If you click on custom blur, there will then be some options. You can blur in a specific shape, and you can get it to either track an object or you can get it to blur in a fixed position. This is good for personal info if you just want to blur something that you missed in editing. Here is your blurred shape, and you can kind of like choose how you want that to show on the timeline. You can move this around, look. Now blurring is a bit fiddly, but you can choose the place of the blur. You can also choose how long you want this blur to last. And you can also choose fixed blur or track object. You can add more than one blur if you want as well. So let's say like at the end, we wanted to blur this bit out. We could click blur, we could click custom blur, make sure it's in a fixed position, and then we could like resize this. You can shorten the time that it's going to be blurred for, and then again, save changes once you're done. Those are the basic features of the YouTube editor. I hope that quick video helped you out. Let me know if you've got any other questions in the comments.